Hey Garrett, yeah, let me give you some help on the adding greeters in the constructor. What I suggest is you take a look at this section 4.14.5 in the book on anonymous objects, and actually this shows you two different ways that you can add new objects to a collection. So here we're adding lots. If you remember the auction project, we create, one way to do it, this is the anonymous way, is to, let me bring up the project. I think this is the one you did. And let's see, this is done in the enter lot method, but you could just as easily do it in the constructor. So this method, well actually, okay, so there's two methods that they showed. One, and I'll just type this one in for kicks here. We could say lots add and create the new lot here. Next lot number and description. Okay, so you could directly call the constructor with this new keyword here and add it that way, or you could create the object and assign it to a variable, to a local variable here, and add it, do lots add. Okay, so either one of those ways is acceptable, an acceptable way to add a new object to a collection of objects. Okay, I guess the only other thing you have to make sure of is that you're passing the right parameters to the object. So we know what parameters to pass to the lot object. If we look here at the lot and look at the constructor tells us we have to pass an integer and a string. Okay, so when you create this object, this has to be an integer and this has to be a string. Okay, so see if you can apply that to creating greeters. You're going to have to be clear about what parameters you need to pass to the constructor for the greeter class, and then you're going to want to use new, and you can either create a local variable and add the local variable, or you can just put this whole construction straight in there. Okay, so yes, I hope that helps. If you still have trouble, you can't figure it out, shoot me another email.